Who's that? There you have it. We're just about done. Flap, big enough for a cell phone or a wallet. Put it on your belt. You can attach a shoulder strap to this too and make like a little another little pouch I made, a little bigger. It's got a deer antler on it, deer antler toggle. So these are all for sale, but this would be the same. Put a little strap on there, and you got a little pouch. That's almost it. So now this can be, you can carve this with a knife, you can stamp it, you can do a border on it, you can paint it like I did the feathers. Same with this one here is for sale. It's the same deal. That's a wrap on that little guy. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you learned something. Pepper, you want to say goodbye? Hey, come here. So this is Joe Pepper Leather signing off for today.